Hello friends, welcome to another Salesforce training video. In this video we are going to see how to make a calculator by using Lightning Web Component in our Salesforce org. So as you can see here, I have made my one of the Lightning Web Component. These are my previous ones. I have already explained them. So as you can see, I will show you first like 23 add multiply. So 23, for example, here will be, let's say 20, add them, 43, multiply them, subtract them, and then division, maybe to make here 5, addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. The result, so we have this component, but we can have something by using VS Code and then the Lightning Web Component. What I have done, what you need to do first, you need to create a Lightning Web Component. So I name it simple calculator. Then in our template, what we have is we have our division, and let me show, to put in medium, we have a class. After we have lightning input, as you can see, number 1, and this is our input, and name is input at the background, and label is number 1. As you can see, if I change this, let me change number, you can call now number, first number, maybe. Let's write first number, and then we have on change to show, and then handle the change, because otherwise we cannot, we just see the result, we see the screen. Then value is first number. This is my value, 20. It is far in this box, in this lightning input. So this is our first, but if you want to have more, you just copy this part and then to put 3 numbers. You can have maybe 3 numbers to if you have 3 numbers, it's up to you. Just the function will change. And we have another part in our HTML for this part. What we did, it is we put in shaded, and then output value, this is our, as you can see, it is just this value, which is bold, and then this P is our, as you can see, result. It is property which takes from JavaScript, result value. This is what we want to do. And then down there we have, as you can see, these buttons, 1 2 3 4 buttons, and each button has label addition, and click. When you click this addition, on click addition, then it will have function in JavaScript. So what we have to do, what you need to do, since we are doing something random, binding the values, you need to put track value here, and then whatever we want to track, it is first number and second number. But there are other ways also to do. If you want to track on the result value, it is also fine. Then you put track value here, and then track value for the number you want to handle changes. So second number, and then as you can see here, we have result value. So the first handle is handle number one change event. As you can see, this is our first on change, handle number one change. So this number writing, this should be exactly same with this part. And then event, and this number, it equals to parse, int, like to convert it to a number. This event target value, it is same as you know. For number two also we do same thing. And then after that we have our addition. For addition we have this method, we open, and then this result value equals parse integer, this first number plus parse integer, like, and this second number. And then for multiplication we have this result value equals to this first number times this second number. Subtraction we have just first number minus second number. It's up to you order if you want to subtract number one to from number one. And then division we have first number divide this second number. This is our JS code for and then for HTML, as you know, it's up to you. You have to make true this part, and then target, and then Lightning homepage I have selected. If you want to select more, what you need to do, just here you can write target and then Lightning homepage. You could just, instead homepage, you can have a record page. It will be record page. So, but I am working on only Lightning homepage. That's why. Otherwise, record page also is acceptable. So this is my changes here, but I have already changed this one. First number, let me change second number, this part also. Second number. So just to deploy and show you how they are. Control S, you need to save it and then deploy it. It's taking time to deploy. Yeah, it is deployed. Now what I need to do, as you know, if you want to put your custom components, as you can see, simple calculator I already have here. So I am going to, you can click here or doesn't matter, just refresh here and we will see the changes here. But I think because of internet it is taking time. So this is the As you can see, 20 divided by 4. Add, multiply, subtract, and divide. So this is the one way to create one simple calculator. Also, this is our card. If you want to put lightning input our card, if you want to put label for this part, I think it's possible to put. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much for watching this video.